right, can y'all hear me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Would you say something, Ms. Buono? You are muted.
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
All right, Ms. Buono, if you could raise your right hand, please.
Let me plug in just for a minute.
All right, do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this call shall be the truth to help you God?
I do.
Okay, since we are doing this via Zoom as opposed to live in person, I'm going to do some of your attorney's work. I'm going to hold up what purports to be the last will and testament of Sharon K. White. Do you recognize that as being her last will and testament?
Yes, I do. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir, I do.
And I'm going to go back to the signature page. Ask you if you recognize that as being her signature on that document.
Yes, I do.
And to your knowledge, after the date she made this will, which appears to have been done on July 20th of 2001 in Beaumont, Texas, did she ever modify or revoke it?
Not that I'm aware of, no.
Okay. And I assume that your attorney has given you a document called a proof of death and other facts?
I feel they have. I can't be for certain, but I'm
Okay, why don't you go over that proof of death and other facts with her, Ms. De Niro?
okay.
Miss Buono, what was your relationship to Sharon K. White?
She's my aunt.
Okay, did Miss White pass away on May 4th, 2024 in Beaumont, Jefferson County,
Yes,
Texas?
yes,
Was she 77 years old on that date?
yes,
Okay, 4 years have not passed since that date. Is that correct?
that is correct.
Okay, did Miss White have a fixed place of residence in Jefferson County, Texas?
Yes, she did.
Okay. We've already talked about the will. Is it true that no children were born to or adopted by Miss White after the date of that will?
That is correct.
Is it also correct that after the execution of the will, no marriage of hers was dissolved?
That's correct.
She was never married or divorced during her lifetime. Is that
Never
correct?
married. Mm-mm.
Is it correct that the will does not name the state of Texas or a government agency of the state of Texas or a charitable organization as a devisee?
That's correct.
Is it also true that Bonita Sue White Biscamp, aka Nita Biscamp, is named in the will to serve as independent executor?
That's correct.
She declined in a written declination. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, is it true that you were then named to serve as independent executor to serve without bond?
That's correct.
But we are asking the court to appoint you as dependent administrator with will annexed. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Is it true that you
All
were
right.
not qualified
No.
from serving?
Have you never been convicted of a felony of a crime involving moral turpitude, Ms. Bono?
No, sir.
Okay. So what you're going to do is Mr. De Niro will provide you with that proof of death and other facts and your oath of dependent administrator. You will sign those. Then she will e-file those with the county clerk. When she gets those in, I'll sign the order admitting the will to probating and appointing you as dependent administrator with will annexed.
Okay.
Then if you will, I'm going to send this instruction sheet to your attorney and she can email it to you.
Mhm.
It explains to you what your duties and responsibilities are as representative of the estate. Make sure that you cooperate with her in doing an inventory. And she'll explain to you what that involves. But as soon as she gets back those proofs and I sign the order, you'll be able to get your letters of administration. So I hope everything goes well. If y'all need anything, y'all let the court know.
Thank
Is
you,
there
Judge.
All
is
right,
there a
take
bond,
care.
Your Honor?
It's gonna be $100 bond. Wait, you got a dependent administration.
Yes.
He was named as independent in the will. And even though you're going dependent, we don't have consents from all the devisees under the will. I'm not sure they're necessary. I thought, did you ask that she serve without bond?
We ask that she be appointed as dependent administrator due to creditors in this estate. And your office asked us to file an affidavit regarding the assets, which we did.
Yeah. You got assets of 114,000. One of which is the homestead, and you're gonna have to apply to the court to sell it in any event. You got a checking account. Okay, so I'm gonna set the bond at $2,500. All righty. I hope everything goes well, and let us know if there's anything else.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All
Thank
right.
you. Mhm.